How would you like to earn in this, or maybe in other foreign currencies such as this? Now this is Egyptian pound. Now listen, in case you're that person that have been looking for legitimate ways to make money online, you're welcome, and I know that God has ordered your footstep here to help you to prosper or to get to the next level. Now listen, if you stay to the end of this video, guess what? I have a free gift for you. What's this? Now this is $200. Just stay to the end of this video and I'm going to show you not only how to earn in this, but a free gift that I have just promised you. So why do you want to make money? Now if you think about it very well, 80% of the problem you are facing currently can be solved if only you have money. This was me when I was not even making money at all. Sometimes I won't choke my neck. Now compared to when I started making money every single week, who am I and why should you even listen to me? Alright, so my name is Egere Great O. You can call me Mr. Great. I am also a top affiliate marketer for Expatriate and of course a founder of GDL Academy. Who is this business model for? And who is this business model not for? So number one, this business model is not for people that want to make money overnight. Mr. Great is not a magician. This business model, which is number two, is not for lazy people. In my entire life, I have never seen a rich lazy man. Now number three, this is not an investment platform. And number four, this is not a Ponzi scheme where you want to put 10k and then cash out 10 million naira by next week. And then lastly, this is not for people that are not yet tired of poverty. Just in case you are still enjoying poverty, don't worry, this video is not for you. If you are that person that is looking for how to increase your source of income, then this business model is for you. Now number two, just in case you are that person that is not lazy, this business model is for people that are ready to learn, people that are ready to implement and then see results. And then lastly, this business model is for patient people. As you can see from your screen, this was me. Like, I was really broke, thinking about my life. If it was currently, I'm very sure I would be owing pumping. I had just lost every single money I had. Now if you take a look at this is an award from a competition I won in 2014, worth over 5 million naira. I lost everything to a Ponzi scheme. I am not scared to mention the name. Rockstar was the name of that Ponzi scheme. As you can see from your screen, there was a time in my camp I won at least 30,000 naira. Guess what? It was this 30,000 naira that even helped me to stay all throughout the 3 weeks I spent in camp. After my 3 weeks camping, I was posted to this radio station where I met a lot of ex-BB Niger housemates. So it shows that I was posted to a very good company. But guess what? My salary was just 30,000 naira, and this got me angry. You know why? I was spending 1,500 every single day to go to work and come back. Now if you do your calculation, 1,500 times 30, I am not making any money at all. So I was actually in debt and life was not funny. Even as a fresh graduate, things became worse. I went back to my training and then I started studying, and guess what? Before you know it, I have started making money comfortably from my house, right? This was a paycheck I got of 351,000 naira. Now, this is not a month salary. This is a week, just in 1 week, all right? And I am not even done. This business model has helped me to earn over time. I have actually done about 600 plus in a week. Okay, I have also done about 700 plus in a week, and that is not all. I have also been able to train students that are doing well in this business. For example, let's take a look at a testimony of one of my students.
I'm Mary by name. As a university student, I needed something that could fetch me extra income. You know how school life is now. So I decided to try affiliate marketing. But ever since then, I was unable to make sales. Not until I met Mr. Great under his mentorship, that's the Great Nations. And ever since then, as a student, I was able to make 541,000 naira. Actually, that's my first. Like, I have never made that kind of money in my life. Alright, I want to use this opportunity to thank Mr. Great for his mentorship. If not for him, I don't think I will be able to achieve that. So you too, you can do that. Bye.
Can hear from my student that this business model can work for anybody, whether you are in Nigeria or not. This business model has also helped me to travel out of the country, as you can see from your screen. See, I want you guys to comment as you are watching this video that I will never be poor. Just comment boldly with your full chest that you will never ever be poor. There is nothing you want to gain from being poor, and the only way to get out of it is to be angry. If you are not angry of poverty yet, that means you are enjoying it, that means you are still permitting it. What is that business model that has moved me to the position that I am? It is no other business model than affiliate marketing. So I know that a lot of us have heard about affiliate marketing, and we are like, okay, I have heard about this before. But listen, from my screen and from what you're seeing, you will find out that the definition of affiliate marketing, it is just a business model, right? Where you help people sell their products, which means it's not even your product. Where do you sell this product? Online, and you get paid. Now, for those of us that live in Nigeria, for example, on Onitsha market, you will discover that the Igbo people will just want to hear and say, boss, afana, wait till you won't buy. You understand? If you're a girl, you might just say things like, my color, my sister, afana, wait till you won't buy. That Igbo guy, he does not even have a shop in the market. His job is to look for people that have come to buy things from the market, connect them to the owner of shops, and if they can buy anything from that shop, that Igbo boy has made money. So I'm going to be showing you guys live from my dashboard how I have been earning this money every single week, and how I have been able to win sales challenge that has given me the opportunity not only to travel to Egypt, but currently I have also just won a free vacation to Morocco, because that will be the next country I'm heading to. So from my dashboard, as you can see, all-time sales, you have successfully made 803 sales. Let's see. Now, all-time earnings from these sales, I want you guys to comment when you see the amount. Comment how much you have seen from my dashboard that I have made from selling other people's product, not my product. Now, we are going to go to Product Marketplace. The name of this product is called TikTok Growth Lead Magnet Program. All right, this product, you can sell it to people that want to be making a lot of money from TikTok, and this product is worth 25,000 naira, and the commission is 50%, which means you will be getting 12,500 if you sell one. Imagine if you sell just 10 in a week. Do you know that you have made over 100k? Let's move on. This product is very funny. I like it. This one says how to be a sexual man. It's a blueprint. It is not every man that is a sexual man. So how much is this product? 15,000 naira. Now there are so many products. There's a product here for crypto, there's a product here for forex, there's this product here for sport betting. There are so many products here that you can sell related to different topics, and you will be making a lot of money. Now, Mr. Great, can you withdraw this money? Yes, let me go to my dashboard and show you. Can you see? Bank account details is there. You can put your bank account details so that whenever you sell, at the end of the week, you will get what? Paid. Frequently asked questions like, where do I get customers and how do I get started? All right, now if you are currently doing any business, you would agree with me that the best place to get customers every single day is from the internet. You cannot be depending on your family members and your friends to buy your product, no matter what you are selling. So there is no special website where they sell or where you get customer, and that is one of those things I will be teaching you. The next question is, Mr. Great, how do I get started? There are 3 things you need. So number 1, you will be needing your smartphone. Secondly, you need data connection, and then lastly, you would also be needing my 14 million naira blueprint. What is a blueprint? A blueprint is a step-by-step guide, something that guides you, something that shows you the way of how I am getting my results, how I am getting my customers, how I am making this money, how I have been able to win trips to Egypt, currently to Morocco. Let's take a look at this testimony of my student who took advantage of my 14 million naira blueprint. Today he has made over 1 million naira Even as a 200 level student, he has also used what is inside this 14 million naira blueprint to start winning sales challenge for himself.
My name is Ikechukwu Victor Ibe, and I am currently a 200 level Delta State University student. I was opportune to get Mr. Egere Great 14 million naira blueprint course, and as an affiliate marketer, I've been able to do 1 million naira over a short period of time. Not only that, currently I just won a sales challenge of over 50,000 naira. Trust me, that blueprint is priceless and you don't want to miss it.
So I've heard directly from my student. So with this 40 million naira blueprint, you are already on your way to becoming a professional seller that will be making a lot of money. How many of you would want to learn how to sell? If you're excited about this, I want you to comment right now that I want to learn how to sell. Drop your comment, drop your location so that I can see and know you, so that we can actually proceed. We're going to be getting the gift I promised from the beginning of this class, worth over 152,000 naira, which is actually over $200. So let's go. Number one, you are going to be getting the right mindset to begin this business. And of course, this is priceless because I can't even attach a price to this. Now, next, you are actually going to be getting the introduction to affiliate marketing, where you are going to learn how to sell hot products. That is, product that people are looking for and then they are ready to pay ASAP. You are going to learn how to set up your autoresponder that will help you to reply customers even when you are not the one chatting. Also, how to save contact automatically. You don't need to be saving contact manually. A lot of things have changed in the online business. So number three, you are actually going to be learning how you can make your first sale. So next, which is number four, you are going to learn how to be creating content, right? If you have not created any content in your life, even if you are very shy, it is optional. And this alone is worth over 82,500. That's the worth. All right. Now, next on my list, you are also going to learn how to generate traffic. Oh God. Now, traffic generation simply means how you can be getting customers every single day. This alone is worth more than 23,000 naira. Now, next, you are also going to learn how to design professional websites, but this currently worth 25,000 naira, right? You're going to learn how to create stunning graphic designing, the kind of graphic designing that your customers cannot take their eyes away from. See, this alone worth nothing less than 12,000 naira. And lastly, you will be getting mentorship. The worth of my mentorship is 25,000 naira for a whole year, which means you will be getting 3 types of training. All right. Number one, you are going to be getting your personal training. As soon as you get started now, you will be getting your personal training. All right. Then next, I will be adding you to my mentorship group called Great Nation. Okay. We normally have classes once every week, and these classes are practical. How? Using Google Meet. I can share my screen, you can see my face, you can see my screen. I can show you this is how to do it, this is not how to do it. So no matter your location, you can learn. Now, the next set of training you are getting is an online one-on-one training, where I can also make use of Google Meet or video call. At your own time, you can just call me and say, Mr. Great, I think I am free. Can we have our personal training? You will be getting. So these are the 3 types of training you will be getting. Now, if we can total all of these that I have just mentioned, you will find out that if we put everything together, it is worth 152,500, which is equivalent to what? $200. Can you see this free gift? And I'm sure you want to be among the first 20 persons, right? Now, I have a good news for this first 20 persons. Now, listen, you are not going to be paying 152,500 because, of course, it is not everybody currently watching me that has that kind of amount of money. You are not even going to be paying 100,000 naira to get started. All right? You are still not even going to be paying 50,000 naira just in case you want to learn how to sell. But guess what? in case you want this, you want me to lead you by the hand, you want to get results, you don't want to start a business and then you are left stranded, you want to have a coach, you want to have a training, you want to get results, you are tired of that current situation that you are. Now listen, if you want to get started, you are currently going to get started for just 45,000 naira. I mean, if you want to get started. But hold on, I am not done. I have a very important good news for you. Now, just in case you will be starting right now, I mean you want to start after watching this video, you want to pay now, you are going to pay the sum of 35,000 naira, and that is not all. I have this free gift for you. Now, let me list out the free gifts I have for you. Now, number one, you are going to be having 5 gig free data subscription so that you can start your training immediately. I am going to be the one to sub you for free. Number two, I will give you this free 5 PDFs that will help your selling techniques. These are the books I found some of the secrets that I have used to win trips such as this, and I also had the opportunity to do this. As you can see in Egypt, I even had to open my eyes so that you guys can see that this is Mr. Great live. All right, now moving on, you are also going to be getting my 14 million naira blueprints for free. I mean those that are paying now. You have your 35,000 naira, you are not going to be paying for that 14 million naira blueprint I mentioned. The 14 million naira blueprint, I am going to give it to you for free. You are not paying. Alright, so to summarize everything I have just said, I have just said that in case you are starting now, you are going to be starting with just 35,000 naira, and not only that, you would have access to free data subscription. You would also have access to my 5 important books where I learned how to sell, and to crown it all, you are not going to be paying for my 14 million naira blueprint. It is going to be given to you for free. Okay, Mr. Great, I don't have my 35,000 naira now. What can I do? That is not a problem. Whenever you decide to start, you are going to get started for 45,000 naira. But don't forget, this free bonus is for only those taking action in less than 72 hours. But after 72 hours, you can only get the training for just 45,000 naira. And guess what? You are not paying for any other thing. This is my guarantee for you so that your mind can be at rest. That after 90 days, you have not made any sale, right? You have not made any money from this business, and you can bring proof that you have implemented everything I taught you and it has not worked. You are not only going to be getting a refund, you will be getting an apology plus 10% interest for wasting your time. So I believe with all of this, nothing is going to stop you from taking action. I really want to see you succeed, because why? Every successful man out there, they are sellers. So thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. I hope you have learned a lot, and I want to see you succeed, and I wish you all the best. My name is Mr. Great. These are my social media handles. You can follow me for more, and I'll see you when you get started.